Hello friends, and welcome to August's Ipsy Unbagging. I have not seen any spoilers for this. I am excited to open it. It feels very light this month, but hey, good things come in small packages. Before I get into this, I thought I would let you know about how much this costs in Canada. For those of us who are Canadian like myself, you often see these Ipsy unbaggings, unboxings, and you hear about, oh, it's $10, to get one of these. Not so true in Canada. So let me tell you exactly how much it was this month with the exchange rate and everything else factored in. So this month, this came to $19.98 here in Canadian dollars. It's generally around the $20 mark, so about twice what our friends in the States are paying. But it does fluctuate a little bit because the exchange rate is always different every time this comes through. I immediately see tassels. This surprised me a little bit. They're stuck to the outside of the bag a little there, but here we go. Oh, it's opening itself up. There is something that is not in the bag that is just in the envelope itself, which sometimes happens. I'm pretty sure this is a brush. It is. Okay, this is quite the, I want to say fancy. This looks like something that my nieces would enjoy because it looks a little childlike, but that is okay if I can just get this open. Okay, we have here, okay, this is a, good little brush. You can see it's pink glitter on the handle. The ferrule is gold there with little rhinestones in it. This is very much something, as I said, that my, 8 and 5-year-old nieces would like. But this size of little brush right here is often really good for doing highlighting or for packing powder on under the eyes. It's just a nice size for that. This does feel synthetic, soft enough, and we'll see how it works at picking up powders. It's not, what's the name on here? Something glam. I can't quite read that, so, ooh, it's in scripty writing, which makes it very difficult to read. Something Miss Glam. Not quite sure. I'll fill it in below down under here when I edit so I can tell you where this product is from. The bag this month is a canvas bag in this nice sort of peach tone with yellow. I'm not a huge fan of tassels, but it's the kind of bag that works out well because it's not like it has Ipsy written across it really big. It just has it down here at the bottom in text. And I can feel the card in here. I'm gonna put that out of the way. And a number of different little things, of course. There are usually 5 things that you get in Ipsy, so the brush there would be one of them, and I'm gonna get this little squeezy tube out and see what this is. Okay, this is from a company that I have used a product from before. This is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel-Off Mask. Exfoliates to lift away impurities and drama. I don't have a lot of drama in my life for this to lift away. There is a lot of drama going on in the YouTube beauty community right now, but that is not what my channel is about. So I like the idea of a copper peel-off mask. That sounds really cool. So I think I will test this with all of you. It says this 5 to 10 minute facial has been crafted to dramatically fight the signs of tired and stressed skin, leaving incredibly smooth, vivid, and radiant skin after just one use. I did like the primer that I tried from them. Usually their stuff all has Manuka honey in it, which is really nice for your skin. So excited to try this. What shall we get next? There's something in bubble wrap and then a couple of other little boxes. Let's try this little box and see what this is. Ooh, it is a Ciate. Is there anything in here? Okay, there is. It felt really light. So this is a Ciate product. I love Ciate products, Ciate London. This is a Glow 2 highlighter, illuminating powder highlighter. It doesn't have a shade on here. Nope, but it might say inside. Add a gentle sweep across cheekbones, brow bones, and where the light would naturally hit your face for a soft, natural glow, or layer for an intense shimmer. This is something that you would put into a pan because you just get the little pan of it here. So put into a palette, I should say. This is in the shade Moon Dust. I do have a magnetic palette to put this into, so that is nice. So I am looking forward to testing this out. I love the Ciate liner I have. I love the Ciate bronzer that I have. I do really enjoy their products. It's a good bag so far. Let's try the other little product here before we get into the bubble wrapped one. Okay, I can tell right away that this is a bomb product because you can always tell from their packaging, which is always very sort of campy and retro looking. This is the Foiled Again foil eyeshadow. The Bomb Girl catches your eye. It's a little superhero. And so I wonder what foiled color this is going to be. Ooh, it is a silver. This is called Locked Up. That is very much a silver tone. Let's see if I can do a little swatch. That feels very silky smooth. And that looks really pretty. It looks like a very true silver with maybe a little bit of like purple pewter undertones to it. Ooh, very nice. I do like these little tiny samples from the Balm. I've used blushes and bronzers in this before, and I find they always work quite nicely and last a really long time. So far everything's been a winner. Let's see what this last product is. Oh, it's something from Pixi. Pixi products can be hit and miss for me. The Pixi Glow Tonic is like my standby go-to love it skincare item. A lot of their makeup has been really hit and miss. I've tried a liner from them, which was not great. I've tried a highlighter blush duo that just was not good. This is a fresh face blush in Beach Rose, and this looks like a good size product. So yeah, you get a good amount of product there. I mean, that is like the size of my palm, and it's a very soft powder. Ooh, that is very bronzy looking. So I'll just get that to focus. That almost looks like a bronzer, but I bet that would look really pretty and natural and could almost work as one of those combo, you know, contour blush kind of effects. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So there we go, guys. That was a really good Ipsy subscription this month. This one is not super up my alley, the brush. It feels just not my style is the only thing. It's very young girly kind of look to it, but I can always use another brush. And everything else seems like stuff I'm really looking forward to trying and things that I will use. So it's a big thumbs up from me for this bag. If you enjoy this unbagging and you want to give this video a big thumbs up, you can do that by clicking down below. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on my face and be subscribed. Click on the notifications because my posting is all over the place lately. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And if you want to leave me a comment, I do respond to every comment that I get. Have a great day. Bye.